Howdy folks, Doc here with Last Best Tool. And given all of the knives and cutting tools that Milwaukee makes, it was inevitable they were going to wander into the sharpening space, and they have with this compact knife sharpener. This thing is about 12 bucks on the shelf. It's a real simple design, plastic. The model number is the 48221590. And it has kind of the traditional carbide jaws here, the ceramic rods, and then it also has a diamond rod down here. Those are the three sharpening agents on it. Simple design, uses a magnet down here. That can be both for storage or kind of to keep it upright when you're doing a draw through. I'll show you in a moment. There are simpler ones. Here's a Benchmade. This is like more of a survival version. If you're really trying to just take a very crude edge into something that might cut. There's no finishing line on this for, with ceramics. Here's a Sharpal, again, the two classics here. And then it's got this sort of deployable diamond cone or conical shaped rod here that allows you to get into spaces, work with some very small things, serrations, stuff like that. Smith's makes several versions. Here's one of them. This one, again, very similar to the Sharpal. Here's a Camillus. It's got, of course, the same two there, plus some tools, a carbide bar on the outside, some set angles for certain kinds of tools, and then a big ceramic strip across the back. Here's my favorite. It's a lot bigger. It uses the 20-degree blade guides. It's got a strop. It's got ceramic, actually a rotating ceramic. I've done videos on this one before. Basically, Benchmade is just branding this. It's a truly a work sharp, so Benchmade's about 10 bucks more. And then it's got the ability to store materials underneath. These two diamond, there's a fine and a coarse diamond plate. But anyway, back to the Milwaukee. So pretty simple design. It's created so you put a finger through here, maybe your thumb over the top if you want to hold it, which gives you a nice strong platform because you don't want this to start moving around. You'll mess up your edge, especially if you're using the coarse. Or better yet, you'd put it down onto a table so you can push down and draw. I'm not going to go all the way out because I don't want to cut my top here, so I would be working with it like that. You can do some honing with the diamond if you want, or to take out a chip or something, but that really works better with other things. Say if you wanted to try to revive some of the serrations on your Milwaukee duck knife, so you could work with that if you wanted. It does not work well with scissors. You might be able to get some traction with the diamond part, but it really, these don't fit in here. They're not supposed to either, so don't get it for that. And you can, of course, if you have, utility blades, you can really bring those back. So pull one out here on this Milwaukee tool, and then you can literally run those mostly through the ceramic. Should hold it correct so I don't cut myself. To bring some life back. These angles are way different than a knife angle, because they're so thin. But usually you can revive it, get a little bit more life out. So anyway, there it is, the Milwaukee Compact Knife Sharpener. I'm glad to see them operating into this space because I think they could provide some innovation, kind of once they get a feel for what's possible with the knife sharpener. And there it is. With that, Doc out.